We are the Group 1 and we are going to discuss about general concept and nature of partnership. Under Article 1767, Civil Code of the Philippines, a partnership is a contract where two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with an intention of dividing the profits among themselves. Gracia and Risabilat agreed to start a small coffee shop. Gracia will contribute 100,000 pesos in capital, and Risabilat will manage the business full-time. They agreed to split the profit 50-50.
Essential characteristics of a partnership with examples. Consensual. A partnership is formed through the mutual consent of all partners. Example, Anna and Bia agree to start a sari-sari store together. This agreement signifies their mutual consent to form a partnership. Bilateral. A partnership involves two or more individuals who have mutual obligations to each other. Example, Anna provides 10,000 pesos while Bia contributes her effort and skills. Both have duties toward each other. Anna to provide a capital and Bia to provide her services. Each partner contributes something of value, whether it be money, property, or services, to the partnership. Example, Carlo contributes a motorcycle for deliveries, while David contributes cash for supplies. Both partners are sacrificing something for the benefit of the business.
The partnership is not the end goal, it is formed to achieve something, profit or business. So, example, forming a partnership to run a water filling station so they can earn income. And next is fiduciary. Fiduciary based on trust and confidence among partners. Partners must act in good faith. Example, a partner cannot secretly keep profits or compete against the partnership without consent. Principal contract. So, a principal contract, the partnership can stand alone. It does not depend on another contract. So, example, Ate Mary and SS form a partnership to open a milk tea shop that agreement is already valid by itself. It doesn't need another contract to support it.
Partnerships. There are four types of partnerships, two or more persons. A partnership cannot exist with only one person. It always needs at least two people. Like for example, me and SS decide to start a small business together like selling t-shirt. Number two, mutual contribution. Each partner must give something of value to partnerships. This can be money, capital, property like land or equipment, or industry, skills, work, talent. Like for example, I invest money to buy the t-shirt and SS design the t-shirt graphics. Lawful object or purpose. The partnership must be for something legal and allowed by law. Like for example, our online t-shirt business is registered and we pay taxes on our sales. Number 4, intention to divide profits. The main goal must be to share in the profits of the business. Like for example, Mia and Lisa agreed to sell beauty products together. Mia provided the capital while Lisa managed the sales. And they decide to share the profits equally. This is a partnership because their main goal is to divide the profit between them.
Init ko, ay da. Ay, naman ko just live. Oh, refreshing. Wow!
Kinds of partnership based on object. Number 1. Universal. Covers all properties or profits of partners. For example, Samuel and SS agree to combine all their properties and profits such as land, vehicles, and income into one partnership fund which they will both manage and share. Number 2, particular. Only for a specific business, for example, Jaira and Cinco agree to form a partnership only to operate a bakery. Their partnership is limited to that business alone, not their other properties or incomes.
Liability. The first one is general partnership. This means that all partners share equal responsibility for the business. For example, if the partnership owes 100,000 and the business cannot pay, the partner's personal money or property may be used to pay the debt. The second one is limited partnership. The limited partnership has two kinds of partner. The first one is general partner. This is about the managers of business and has unlimited liability. The second one is limited partner. This all about the investment of money but does not manage the business. So, for example, if Anna invests 500,000 pesos as a limited partner, she cannot lose more than 50,000 pesos even if the business has a big debt. Liability. The first one is general partnership. This means that all partners share equal responsibility for the business. For example, if the partnership owes 100,000 and the business cannot pay, the partner's personal money or property may be used to pay the debt. The second one is limited partnership. The limited partnership has two kinds of partner. The first one is general partner. This is about the managers of business and has unlimited liability. The second one is limited partner. This all about the investment of money but does not manage the business. So, for example, if Anna invests 500,000 pesos as a limited partner, she cannot lose more than 50,000 pesos even if the business has a big debt.
We will compare partnership and corporation using different points of distinction, such as manner of creation, right of succession, structure, startup cost, liability, juridical personality, and management. So first, manner of creation. In partnership, created by agreement of partners, while corporation, created by law and registered with SEC. Number 2, right of succession. In partnership, no succession, ends with a partner dies or leaves. In corporation, has succession, continues despite death or withdrawal. Number 3, structure. In partnership, simple, managed by partners. In corporation, more complex, managed by shareholders and board of directors. Number 4, startup costs. In partnership, cheaper, easier to form, while corporation, more expensive, needs permits and SEC registration. 5, liability. In partnership, partners have unlimited liability, while corporation, stockholders have limited liability. 6, juridical personality. In partners, starts with articles of partners are executed, while corporation, start with SEC issues a certificate of incorporation. Lastly, the management. In partnership, all partners manage directly, while corporation managed by board of directors elected by shareholders.
Article 1767. A partnership is a contract where two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund, with the intention of dividing profits among themselves. For example, Anna and Ben agreed to put up 100,000 pesos each to open share the income equally. Article 1768. A partnership has juridical personality separate and distinct from each partner once it is constituted. For example, the coffee shop partnership can enter contracts, lease space, or be issued as its own entity, not just Anna or Ben individually. Article 1769, rules for determining if a partnership exists. Sharing profits is a prima facie evidence of partnership, but sharing of gross returns or payment of debt or wages is not. For example, if Carla and Dan share profits from a bakery, it suggests partnership, but if Dan only receives a salary, he's not a partner. Article 1770, partnership must have a lawful objects or purpose, and it cannot be contrary to law, morals, good customs, public order, or public policy. For example, a partnership to run an illegal drug business is void. Article 1771, a partnership may be constituted in any form except when immovable property or real rights are contributed. Then it must be in a public instrument. For example, if Ed and Faye form a partnership to sell clothes, no formal documents is needed. But if Faye contributes land, it must be in an authorized document. Article 1772, a partnership with capital of 3,000 pesos or more must appear in a public instrument and be recorded with a Securities and Exchange Commission. For example, if Greg and Helen start a business with 5,000 capital, they must register with the Securities and Exchange Commission.
Provision under Articles 1767 and 1784 set the foundation of partnership law in the Philippines. How it is formed, its validity, personality, contributions, profits, and loss, sharing, and limitations. So example of these is Anna and Bea agree to put up sari-sari store. So Anna contributes 50,000 cash while Bea contributes her space at home, a store, or location. So they agree to share profits equally 50-50. This is valid under Article 1767, which states that a partnership exists when two or more persons band themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves.